On the eve of February's first significant snowstorm, Tolland is ready to clear its own roads. 22 News reporter Haley Crumbleholm went back to Tolland more than a year after the DPW building burned down.
The November 2016 fire at Tolland's DPW equipment shed spared just one of the department's trucks and left little more than twisted metal. Losing more than $1 million in tools and equipment, the department had to rely on neighboring towns to help clear their snow.
They got a lot of help. The Granville trucks, they loaned them, trucks from Granville and stuff. So they did all right. They plowed all right. The
DPW officially moved into their new building last week. Insurance covered construction costs as well as several used trucks. They still have tools and equipment to replace, but they're ready for snow.
Long, drawn out. A lot of working outside and relying on our neighbors to help us. We got a long ways to go before we're fully equipped. I think we're going to do okay.
But after months of working outside and operating out of Tolland's fire department, Supervisor Ed Deming said he's glad the DPW will have a place of its own this winter.
It's good to be home.
In Tolland, Haley Crumbleholm, 22 News.